Eat your heart out. I feel like an idiot. Hey. Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I fucking love doing this every year. Well, it's only my second year, but I loved it last year. I love it just as much this year, if not a little bit more. So today, obviously, we turned ourselves into Tiffany Valentine. If you do not know who Tiffany Valentine is, she is the bride of Chucky. Get it? Because I did Chucky earlier in the month, and now we're doing his bride, Tiffany. And Tiffany is pretty much like the most, I don't know. She's, I really love Tiffany. She's like kind of trashy, little trashy with like the roots and shit. But we stand for Tiffany. I love her very much. She's badass. Yeah, so this look was super easy to create. There's no FX makeup involved. It's pure beauty makeup. And honestly, I mean, hell, if you took off the wig and fixed your eyebrows, this ain't a bad look 24/7. I mean, and the beauty mark. If you're enjoying 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers and we are so freaking close. So, without further ado, let's get on into the video, guys. Alright guys, let's get started. First off, I have to turn on my music and then I'm going to go in and prime my skin. I'm just using a hydrating primer due to my super dry skin. And because this eye look is way darker and way heavier, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids and then we're going to jump straight into the eye. Taking my Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia, I'm going to go in with the dark brown shade, which is called Back Rolls, and I live for it. I'm taking this on a fluffy crease brush and literally just carving out the crease. This does not have to be perfect, and you don't have to cover your whole lid unless you just really want to. Pretty simple look here. This is a really simple, easy, smoky eye. Next, I'm going to go in with a clean crease brush and pack Beast onto my eyelid, which is just a matte black eyeshadow. This, again, does not have to be perfect. You just want your lids to be dark and smoky and very fluffery and blended out. Did that make sense? I'm going to clean up my fallout and then we're going to jump right into my foundation. Foundation, you just want to do pretty much your basic face. I just did a super full coverage foundation from Juvia's Place. The only thing I really did different for my face makeup is I made this goofy ass face so I could see the laugh lines, like my smile lines, and I'm going in with a small eyeshadow brush and my contour shade and really hollowing that out because Tiffany has some hella laugh lines. Once we're done with that, I'm just going to pack on a light pinky purpley blush, not really necessary, and for once in my life we're not going in with a ton of highlighter because she's a doll. She's matte. She's plastic, not very shiny. Lucky for me, I already have super rail thin eyebrows all on my own, so I'm just taking a black eyeliner and pretty much going over my natural eyebrow hair. I almost never do this. I almost always have to thicken them. But just make your eyebrows thin, black, and you can add a hella arch if you want to. I kind of started to and then kind of wussed out, so. To make this look even smokier, I'm also going to take that same black eyeliner and ram it into my waterline and onto my lash line. And yeah, nice. Now we're going to go in with that back roll shade on that same fluffy crease brush and super smoke out our lower lash line and connect it up to our top eyeshadow. Nice. I'm going to go in with lashes, but before I do, I forgot, I'm going to add a small wing and then do my eyelashes. Once all that is done, we're pretty much completely done with the eyes. I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm taking the exact same black eyeliner and I'm just going to start lining out my lips. I'm making my Cupid's bow hella sharp, trying to. I don't have much of one on my own, so I created one. And then we're just going to fill in our lips black. Lucky for me, this liquid lipstick doesn't dry completely matte if you have anything underneath it, so they're staying a little glossy, which is how her makeup is in the movies. After that, all we have left to do is our beauty mark. Tiffany has the fakest Marilyn Monroe beauty mark, so I'm just going to go in with my eyeliner and create one. And then I was looking at my reference picture again and noticed her eyes are a little more purple, so I'm going to add a dark purple into my crease very messily, very fast. And that's pretty much it for the makeup look. What do you guys think? I went ahead and popped my cheap, shitty blonde wig on, and now I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow and mix it with a dark brown on a fluffy little face brush, and I'm creating a root. Not necessary, you don't have to wear a wig if you don't want to. I just thought it added to the look. So I'm adding some roots to this wig, just using what I have, and once that's done, I'm gonna just try to make myself have some side swept bangs, and that's pretty much it. This wig is trash, and let me check my calendar, but I am almost positive that this is the last thing I need this fucking wig for, cause I'm gonna throw it away. It was $5. It's terribly cheap. I was trying to style it a little bit. I know, like, it's not real hair, obviously. I was using my flat iron on, like, the lowest temp, trying to style it a little bit, because obviously it's a little wonky. Melted a part of it, but it's okay. We just tuck her. Also, I know Tiffany's hair in the movies is quite a bit longer, but you work with what you got. This was super fun to make and to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. And that's it for this video. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Happy 31 days of Halloween, y'all.